In this video, I am going to show you how to open a business account on Wise. Opening a business account will require you to submit certain documents so the bank can verify your business. Some of these documents are employer identification number, state-issued identification, business formation documents, ownership agreement, business license, certificate of assumed name, and monthly credit card revenue. Wise business accounts have all perks of a Wise personal account with some extra business-friendly features too. You can hold 40 plus currencies, get paid by customers around the world with local bank details for 9 currencies, and pay contractors, suppliers, and staff in 160 plus countries. To open a Wise business account, open the Wise desktop site or app and click on Create Account. Enter your email address and confirm you're opening a business account. Add details about yourself and your business. Upload any required verification documents. Start a transfer and pay the one-time fee for a full Wise business account access. Once your verification is complete, you'll be notified and can use your account freely. So the process is simple as opening a personal Wise account. On the Wise business account, you have some time-saving extras such as bulk payment options. Order a Wise debit card for yourself and Wise expense cards for your team if you need them to make the spending overseas seamless. Wise accounts are flexible and low cost, with great international features which make them a good choice for anyone who loves to travel or shop overseas. Business owners paying and getting paid in foreign currencies and more. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.